Are you trying to delete your Instagram account? Is Instagram too distracting for you, or is the FBI looking for you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account forever. Many people have been finding problems with this, and the old version of Instagram had a different way of deleting Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account forever. The first step is open the Instagram app. Open, and you go to your profile, and with the three lines up there at the top right corner, you tap it and go to settings. With settings, you scroll down to accounts, and with accounts, you go all the way down to delete accounts. So Instagram will give you the option to deactivate your accounts. That will deactivate it temporarily, go off, just like deleting it, but you still have your account. But if you really want to delete it, not for distractions, you would tap delete your account. It will ask you again, do you want to continue deleting your account? And you tap it again. It takes you to a new link, still on Instagram, and the app will ask you why you want to delete your Instagram account. Me, I am actually deleting it because it's a YouTube video, so I don't have anything to say. So you give them a reason. For instance, if you choose privacy consents, they would send you stuff. If you want to learn more about privacy consents, they would give you articles to read. But if you're really sure about it, you re-enter your Instagram password. If you do not remember, I'm sorry. If someone is trying to delete your account, nobody can do it unless the person knows your password. So remember your password, type in your password, and click delete your account, and your account will be deleted. But it won't be officially deleted at that same time. It will take up to a month to be officially gone. So after deleting it, you still have a safe period to come back. I hope this video was very helpful. Subscribe to TechHubGH, and good luck deleting your Instagram account. Bye.